Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, let's take a look at gold and the fact that price is breaking higher. So gold has been on our watch list for a while. We talked about it a couple of weeks ago, basically saying that this bearish move here could be short-lived due to the fact that we are still getting rising inflation in the US and globally. And that could often lead to investors looking to push some of their funds into the into sort of assets such as gold in order to sort of hedge against the rise in inflation. And you know, we've started to see that the past couple of weeks price has started to rally to the upside. What's quite nice here is we have this sort of trend development pattern going here on the daily time frame, and it looks to me like we are going to see a strong continuation of gold. And if we look at the sort of price action that we've had today, we've had a very strong bullish candlestick today. We had a few days of consolidation and then the market has really took off to the upside. So if we're expecting upside for gold, where do we expect it to go towards? Now, if we look at it from a weekly perspective, one or two areas of interest. We've got this sort of candlestick low in here, which is actually this level around about 1849.84. If I round that up, around about 1850. Or alternatively, we could be looking at the sort of highs in and around this 1880 area. The reason being is obviously the market found some resistance at this point, which would likely be sort of around this high in here. And obviously then we saw a significant sell-off in and around these areas. So what is the first target? The first target is going to be the 1850. Again, double top pattern as well, just to add a bit of confluence there. This is the neckline. That's the reason why that would be targeted. Price also very close to it, so I can't see how this would not be targeted in the short term. However, it's how do we trade to that point, or to these points here and here? Is it a pullback opportunity, or are we going to look for those breakout opportunities? Now, I like the idea of a pullback more so here. If we look at it and expand it out a little bit further, we've got this consolidation pattern and then the breakout. What I would like to look for is either a retest of this support. So essentially we've broken out of this swing high, okay? The last sort of bearish candlestick before that breakout was down in here. So we could look for an opportunity that if price was to pull back into this zone there, we can start looking for those buyers. Alternatively, we want to dive into a lower time frame. Now, because this is so impulsive today, the 4-hour support is going to be all the way down here if we refine. The reason being because if price has taken out this high in here, okay, so if we apply the same principles on that daily time frame to here, you know, price has broken out this high. The last bearish candlestick high is in here, and that's where I'd be looking for that demand to come back in, because you can see strong demand came from this area. So if price was to get back to it, would those same buyers be in and around this area? If so, we could start looking for longs from there. However, I think I want to leave it as a larger opportunity on the daily time frame. And if price was to pull back into this daily high around about 1822, I think that's where we could start seeing some buyers come back into the market up into this key area of resistance. So keep an eye on gold. In short, the trend is up. We've broken into fresh highs after taking out this 1830 level, which we talked about in the week ahead analysis and a couple of weeks ago as well. So expecting further upside, look for pullback opportunities up into key levels of resistance. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you soon.